I'm starting with this craft paper roll. I got this right from my local dollar store for $1, and it's a 30-inch wide by 15-foot long roll. And I'm just going to unroll it, and I'm clipping the left side onto my tabletop. And on the right side, I'm just putting something with a little bit of weight so it doesn't roll closed on me. Next, I'm just taking my Wise Owl Snow Owl paint, and I'm just giving this a dusting of white on top of the paper. Now, I do not want full coverage. I want very light coverage. And I just went across the entire 30 inches. And then I just allowed that to fully dry. Next, I got this wooden rod, and I got it right from Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to use some General Finishes Antique Walnut Gel Stain and just wipe it to cover the entire rod. Now, this was about 35 inches long, and it cost maybe 50 cents. I got this Farm Fresh Christmas Trees wall art for $2.98 from Walmart, and they had a variety of different styles to pick from. And I'm just going to figure out where I want my Farm Fresh to be placed, and I'm eyeballing this. If you want it to be perfect, I would definitely measure this. And I'm just going to peel the sticker off of the backing and lay it down onto my paper. Now, I had to reposition the farm, and it did peel up pretty easily. And the Christmas trees was one big sticker, and I just cut it to make it two. And I'm placing the Christmas underneath the Farm Fresh. And then I'm taking trees and putting that under the Christmas. And you just want to wipe it down. And there was a couple tree stickers, and I'm just going to put the big one in the center and then the two little ones on the sides. Now, I've seen a variety of different wall stickers. I think this would be great for any season. And then I left about 10 inches left on the bottom, and I'm just going to glue it and roll the bottom up. Now, you don't have to glue it each roll. You could just glue it where you want the final roll to be. And I just took more of my Wise Owl Snow Owl and completed that end by brushing on the white paint. And then I turned it over to the top here, and I repeated the same thing. I just put a little bit of hot glue, gave it one roll, and then I rolled this a couple times and just glued it in place at the top here. And then again, I just took more Snow Owl paint and I just dry brushed it onto the roll here to finish off the top end. I took my wooden spindle and I glued it on the inside of the roll. So it wasn't moving around, it kind of was just set in place. And I have about 2 inches of the wooden spindle hanging out on each end. And I'm just going to take some jute here and tie a knot. And now we have this wall hanger. And look how inexpensive and easy this was. It says Farm Fresh Christmas Trees. And they have a variety of different wall stickers right at Walmart for $2.98. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Paint products can be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, we also have other tutorials over there as well. Have a great day.